And now that Mardy bum, I see you frown, and it's like looking down the barrel of a gun, and it goes on. And how come all these words? Oh, there's a very pleasant side of you, a side I much prefer, and this one that laughs and jokes around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground, and it was up and away. Oh, but it's right hard to remember that on a day like today when you're all argumentative and you got the face on. Well, now that Mardy bum, oh, I'm in trouble again, aren't I? I thought as much, 'cause you turned over there, pulling the silent disappointment face, the one that I can't bear. Can't we laugh and joke around? Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground, and it was up and away. Oh, but it's right hard to remember that on a day like today when you're all argumentative and you got the face on. Yeah, I'm sorry I was late. Well, I missed the train and then the traffic was a stay, and I can't be asked to carry on in this debate that reoccurs when you say don't care. Well, of course they do, yeah, clearly do. Woo! So laugh and joke around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground, and it was up in the way. Still, it's right hard to remember that on a day like today when you're all argumentative and you got the face on.